Hey, Chronicle Life family. I figured I'd come and vlog while I'm out here in this disrespectful ass wind. Y'all, what in the world? It's a little bit of rain. You can't put an umbrella up. You can't put an umbrella up because the wind is so. Wait a minute, I lost y'all. It said I've arrived. I've arrived where? Y'all, that's how disrespectful the wind is. Here we go. I made it to my destination. Where I was going. Oh my God. Look, my hair all messed up. That's okay. Let me put this house. I will be right back. Hey fam, so we are truly back with the disrespectful weather. So, I'm a little disgusted because I wasn't supposed to be coming back in the disrespectful weather. But Avis, got a little botched. So I can't pick up the car. I can't be Uber Annie until Tuesday. So they'll rectify it. And we're going to go now, walk, and get on the subway. The adventures. Oh, my leg. The adventures of Philly. It's crazy, like, it was just raining. The sun was out. The wind is disrespectful. And now the sun is back. Go! Thank you, people. So, it's a little nippy out here. We're gonna go this way. Y'all, it's kind of crazy that I have to remember. It's been so long since I have traveled. I travel around Philly. Normally when you come, it's a stop and see this family member and stop and see that family member. But gotta actually travel so I can get a vehicle again, which isn't too bad. Just gotta remember where my travels are. So we're gonna get our walk on, and then I'll be back, fam. Hey fam, so we back out of the disrespectful weather. We are on our way to catch the subway. I get back to the house. It's so windy today. Well, we're adventures today. Now they have these key cards, which is crazy. But I pass this from the kids' school. Sitting home. I want to do a medal. This leads down to the orange line, you know. Catch the subway. So be right back. So we gotta stand out here and wait for the sub. I'm tired. All the way up out of the airport for nothing. But I'll show you when I get back home. I got some rain boots and some sneakers. So she needed. She said her feet are starting to hurt. So Joel sent that for her so I can get her some shoes. And she had no rain boots, so she needed them. But I'm trying to go back. So glad we gotta wait until Tuesday to get a vehicle. I definitely wasn't happy about that, but it is what it is. It's just a couple of days. It's a day. 4 days. And I'll get a vehicle. I'll be back.